Alright guys, what's going on? In this video, I've realized that we need to have a selling rate for each product, and we also need to have a selling rate for each machine. So that basically in the machines, we can make an adjustment, like this machine is not doing so well, right? And then we have a in the products as well, that might sell 1 per day, something like that. 1 per day, 0.5 per day. So let's start modifying our code so that we can make some sales forecasts, because I think that we've really got, I mean, it's looking right. It's looking like we're moving in a good. You can add locations, you can add products, you can add machines, machines, locations, absolutely. This is a new user, so there's just nothing in there. And let's take a look at we just took a dump. Well, my SQL dump, that is. Let's look at the product table. Product ID, transaction, okay, primary key here, product ID, okay, constraints, inventory constraints, references product ID as a foreign key, okay, we should be able to just add sale rate to this, no problem. So I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to say, I want to update my code so that we can display product selling speed, as in days in inventory or DII. This is the table, and this is the add-product route. That's not bad. Yeah, this is it here. And this is the add product handlebars page. Give me all I need to accomplish this. Break it down into steps. No, I want the user to be able to manually input the DII. It isn't a calculation of inventory transactions. Modify the route in the form to handle the DIA. Here are the steps. Modify the product table schema, add the column DII. Okay, this is what I wanted. Okay, let's do that right now. Go back in here. We'll do that, done. Update the route for add-product, adding this. Update the add product handlebars page. Okay. Okay, so this all makes sense. Okay, that should be it. Okay, give me the full handlebars page and the full route, please. Just problem is ChatGPT-4 is freaking slow, man. I want that speed. Let's put the kettle in, man. This is what we do most of our day here. We're just drinking a bit of instant coffee. And while this code prints out, if you have any questions about how AI can help your institution, if you're a novice, if you're just stumbling upon this, check out the links below. I'm booking some times now where people, if they have some code they want debugged, if they can't figure something out, they've tried all routes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. I'm happy to do those sorts of consults now. Or if you just have a question, drop in the comment below, and maybe I will, maybe I'll add it. Maybe I'll respond right there. But if you're running into some sort of a roadblock and you want to put, you want another set of eyes put on it, happy to help. Let's get the instant coffee side of the game going right here. Boy, oh boy. I guess slow and correct is better though, right? Better to have it slow and correct than fast and broken. Alright, so there's our handlebars page. Took you forever, ChatGPT. Do my homework quicker, please. Add product handlebars. And then this is the post. And if you notice, this app.post/add product syncs up with that. That's where that matches up, that form action. Posts back to here. Holy cow, look at this. Oh, it broke. It broke. Reprint the route, please. App.post. Insert into your brand name, SKU description, cost, sale price, inventory, user ID. Where's DII? There it is, DII. Otherwise, add product. Fair enough. Easy peasy. Okay. Let's restart our server. Let's John user and then our password. And let's add products. Give me a second. Coke. Easy Coke 001. This is a 12-ounce bottle of Coke. 1, 2, 200, and average days in inventory is this. All right, so I'll go back. Okay, everything looks all right. Error adding product. Why? Well, I don't know. No. What I think is going on here is that basically, would we need to update this at all? No, you don't need to update that. However, to the view, update the res.render line in the get route to include. There you go. See that? See how we now have user ID? So that was the issue right there, is I think that user ID just isn't being passed. Okay. Whereas this user ID now corresponds with this hidden input type user ID. See, this is like part of the learning, man. The learning, it's a great learning tool. So let me go back here. I'm gonna restart. I gotta freaking go through all of this stuff again. Hold on, you're looking at my face. I understand. Okay. Go here, add product. We have Coke, Easy Coke, SKU is Coke 001 12 OZ, 12 ounce Coke. The cost is 1, the sale price is 2, there's 200 in stock, and they sell every 2 days. And if you look here, for some reason it's printing out my user ID. I don't know why. We can fix that too real quick. Yeah, see, it's right here. That's why that's being printed out. Now, you see how this page is now updated, and it is it's updated, and we'll look here. Looks like everything was done right. That's the password. Looks like everything's right. Let's look in the database. Okay, let's look in the database and see what, because that was Easy Coke was the name of that item. So we can select star from products. What? Yeah, product. How is it? Easy Coke, 12 ounce can, user ID of 12. With the 2 days in inventory adjustment. It's a beautiful thing, this whole ChatGPT thing. You know, I mean, this basically tells me that this right here is worth basically every 100 days. You know, we're making $200 more or less, right? Just from this one product. So we're going to be able to make all types of metrics for this business and see what can be changed. To see, is it our margins? Is it what are the numbers? How do we pull the levers of our vending machine business to make it viable? How can we value other people's businesses and make those businesses, take them from ashy to classy, from distressed to now a thriving route? So thank you guys so much. We're building this software. I'm truly building it for myself, because I'm going to go back to the States and build a wild freaking company, the biggest vending machine mogul company that you guys are ever going to see. So thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button. On to the next one.